What's going on today, YouTube? So we got another video here, and as you can see, I'll be doing some door lights, and these are special lights, real special to me because they represent a real special thing, my team. So without further ado, we'll get to the install process of this and get you a little information on it. And they actually look pretty easy to do, and I think anybody can get this done. All right, guys, so once you open up the contents, you see you got your 3M double-sided tape for the light housing that will stick to the back of this and the back of your door, or the front of your door. This is the magnet. So this is the sensor switch. You actually put it right there in the front of it, and when you open your door, it goes away from the metal, which then powers on the light. When you close your door, it goes to the metal, which turns off the light. And this is the double-sided backing for the metal right there. And then it takes 3 AAA batteries. This is actually a Christmas gift from me, so I don't have a link or anything on where to get it, but I'm just doing a little video and showing you guys how to use it. So here's the sensor though, so you can see. It actually works really good, which I was really surprised by for being something made in, well, not made in China, but clearly a Chinese product. So Chinese instructions and all. But hey, we're gonna see if it works. We'll put it to the test. Courtesy door light. I don't even know what the brand is. We'll just say it's courtesy. So without further ado, I'm going to get some tape stuck on this thing and get the area cleaned up, prepped, and we will get this first light on. All right, guys, so I got the area prepped here. I'm gonna have to still figure out exactly where I want this magnet to line up at. I'm hoping, if I get lucky, I can tuck it up underneath this gasket and it will be hidden so you won't even see it, but it will still like work right. But we got the double-sided tape. If you get this exact one, good luck finding it. But if you do, I use the white side or the yellow side, whatever it was, for the actual unit. And then I'm gonna use the 3M side for the car door and the panel because that's obviously the more dirty side and I want that stronger stick to that. So we're gonna go ahead and figure out where this all needs to be lined up at. And I'll get back with you as soon as I figure it out. So this took a while to figure out, but we got it stuck on. The hard part was getting this to where it needs to be. So in the Chrysler, at least, this whole thing is just uneven, completely uneven. So I found a point where nobody's gonna be getting, this is my seat far back as possible, so no legs or feet can touch it. Unfortunately, it's not hidden. It goes way up. So, but in all, I mean, it doesn't really look that bad. It's not like you're gonna get in the car and be like, "Whoa, bro, what is that?" You know, nobody's gonna notice that. So, hold on one second. But I will show you a little bit of what it looks like right now. Yeah, you can turn it off. It is working. So let's go get that other side done and we'll be back. All right, guys, so we got this side all finished. Easy prep. Once you get the concept down, I mean, it took me less than 5 minutes to get this up. It's all stuck in like it should. Obviously, it's not hidden very well, but that's the best I can do. I was thinking about possibly putting it underneath, but I don't think that's gonna work just because this magnet it's really weak. Like, I had to put it on that line because if I put it there, it didn't work. It was just too far. So the little 1/4 inch or 1/8 of an inch gap between the metal and the plastic on that, still probably not gonna work. So just to save me the time and the hassle, I ain't even gonna worry about it. I'll just keep the things there. Maybe at a later date, I'll possibly get a stronger magnet and then do my own little custom work with these Chinese products. But until then, close it up. Open it up, show you from the inside here. It's doing its job. All right, guys. So get you some darker shots. We are in the daylight, so we're gonna try our hardest to get some darkness in here. But we'll get you a little bit of darker shots, and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, so there you have it. I got my LED lights on and this little light in here, and I mean, it's partially visible, but I don't expect it to be visible at night. So, or not at night, I'm sorry, during the day. So it's not that big of a deal, but in all, I mean, pretty good. Pretty good stuff. I'm pleased with the results. It's slightly large, but to me, I like that. I like it to be seen. I'm definitely a Steelers fan, so not a problem with that. Thinking in the near future, I might have to get some more research on these, because actually, if you look at them, I'll show you here. Right here is actually this. So I might see what other lights and things you can get for this product here, and see what I can do. Maybe get some 200 or something like that. I don't really know yet, but all in all, pretty good product. I give it a big thumbs up. Very easy install. Great results. But yeah, I mean, if you guys have any questions, want to know some more info about them, drop a comment, like, subscribe. More content coming soon, guys. Give you a little peeker here. It may have something to do with that. So, but without further ado, guys, enjoy your day, stay safe, and until next time, peace.